The new LED bulb adopts the industrial design of iGate Groove, integrated aluminum shell, strong structure, good heat dissipation, high light transmittance PC mask, high quality LED lamp base, long service life, brightness up to 120 lumen per watt. With the industrial and mining lampshade, the brightness is higher. The lamp cover and lamp body can be separated to meet different use environment. Delivery is also more convenient than conventional mining lights, saving transportation costs. There are a variety of sizes available. I100 to 40 watt, I120 to 50 watt, I140 to 60 watt, suitable for home decoration, workshop, warehouse and other places.